Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to color grade like a pro on Capcut application for your video. So here I already have the video, but as you can see that the color and the result of the video is quite pale, so let's do a color grade to make the visual look better. So the way that we need to do a color grade in a Capcut, you just need to go click the clip whenever the clip that you want to do the color grade, and after that you need to take a look on this bottom features here and just slide into the left side until you found adjust this, and then just need to go click it. You can do an auto adjust if your Capcut is already in a pro version, but if you are not, you can like adjust it by yourself. So the first thing you need to adjust is a brightness. So you can see that on my video here there are a lot of light that coming on my video, so I will like to reducing the brightness by drag the point into the left side. So I will like to make it like -10. And after that, for this contrast, I would like to make it more contrast by drag the point into the right side until like 20. And then for the saturation, I would like to make it more warm, so I would like to drag the point into the right side. And for the brilliance here, actually it's just similar with the brightness, so it's just controlling the light on the video. So if you want to reduce the light, you can drag it into the left side, but then if you want to put more light, you can like drag it into the right side here. But then I will let to drag into the right side for 10 points. And then for the sharpen, let's make this video more sharp, like in 15. And the things that you need to do again is on the grabs here, so you can adjusting the white compositions, red, green and blue colors on this video. So if you want to get extra white, you can drag this point into upper side right there. And for the red one, it also do the same. If you want to add more red color, but then if you want to like decrease in it, just drag it into the lower part. Okay, and whenever you're done doing the grab, go click this part button, and you just need to go. The next is a shadow. In the shadow part, drag it into the left side to put more shadow, so that there will be like more contrast for your video. Let's make it like -15. And for the temperature, you can make it like more warm by dragging into the right side. And whenever you're done adjusting it, you just need to go click this one. And here is the result. You can see now the quality or the appearance of the video is looks better compared to the previous one. You can see the grasses look more green, and then the floor also look more shadowing and contrast. So that's the way to do color grade like a pro. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.